Welcome to another episode of The Photo Bug, and here are your hosts, Jim and Fred.
Okay, we have another interesting review today. We've got our friends at Platypod, always coming up with interesting things. I got the Platypods, because there's 3 different versions of the Platypod now.
Right.
And they got the Platyball that we reviewed.
2 different versions of that.
Well, they got the handle that just came out. This was a Kickstarter project. It's now on the market. We'll put the price down here because I'm not really sure at the moment what the final price is. I know it is very reasonably priced, but that's the handle. And you know, Fred, I'm looking at this, and this kind of reminds me, you know that science fiction movie? God, I wonder. Well,
No. Jim, what have you been smoking? Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
it kind of resembles that. My understanding that was kind of the influence for the design.
For the design, huh?
Yeah. So.
Well,
yeah,
now that we're over that, let's go ahead and talk about the actual functionality.
Yeah, exactly. What is this? The handle, I mean, you can actually put it and hold it in your hand. It's got a 3/8 in. Now, one of the things that I kind of wish they did that this 3/8, I wish it was kind of a gap where you had a 1/4-20, where you could mount your camera directly to this. Unfortunately, you have to put a ball head, or you have to have something that requires a 3/8. But
Right.
This can be raised up. I think this goes up about 6 inches altogether.
So if you have a Platyball, you could put that on top of
Yeah,
it?
you can put any tripod head on there, because it's got a 3/8 inch for a, well, and the thing is that this part here at the bottom is actually, I know it's round, but it's actually Arca compatible, so you have a ball head with an Arca. This will go in there and right on your head there.
And here's another thought. Go ahead and loosen that.
Well, and this will be
Yeah.
higher. So if you could put this on your tripod, if you need an extra few more inches on your tripod, you could do that.
And if you want to use the whole handle as a head, because it has threads there,
Oh yeah, you can thread it directly to your
so
tripod.
I could put it right to a tripod, and now this becomes the head. You can adjust it. You have the
Yeah, these are 1/4-20s, so you can put the accessories, and I know Platypod makes these flexible necks that you can put in here. You
Right.
can put your LEDs. I know you like to use
I've used LEDs for macro work.
so that would be nice
Uh-huh.
for years. There's even more to this. Wait, there's more. This actually comes apart. And you can take this off of here, screw that on, and actually that would, well, no, don't screw it that way. But that can actually be used separately. I mean, you can use separate parts with the unit too. So that's all kind of neat. I mean, it's very flexible. Larry that designed this actually come up with made a pretty flexible device. Again, I just kind of wish that they had taken and had a combination 1/4-20,
Right.
3/8 inch at the
Well, I
top
know
there.
one of the things, as soon as I saw that this had come out, I remembered when we were at venues where there were wildlife photography opportunities, but the areas were wetlands with boardwalks going through them.
Right.
And you really were limited on trying to use a tripod in that area.
Yep.
So this would be very nice, be able to set up, have your ball head on it. I won't do it all, but let's say with the ball head, and then you could set this on the railing.
We actually, the Platypods have a 3/8 inch, so you could mark
You
this.
could put it right onto the
3/8,
Platypod.
and then you could put your strap around there to secure it.
The nice thing with that then is now you have a tripod without all the room that a tripod would take, especially on boardwalks that are popular with a lot of other photographers in wildlife preserves. And they were trying to come up with kind of do-it-yourself.
If you ever find out that your Platypod was just too low, you wish you had a few more inches on it. Hey, there you
That's
go.
the
That's
thought.
what they.
So it's
yeah,
pretty
that's
interesting accessory.
Oh yeah.
That becomes multiple things, and so I see some promise in it. And Jim's going to have to. You haven't had it out in the field much yet, have you?
Not at all. No, I just basically got it. So I was gonna finish this up here. This is like a jigsaw puzzle. This is what I was trying to do earlier. There you go. And that can go in there like that. There. So
Interesting.
yeah, there's different ways that you can actually mount this and put it together to go in there. Yep. Of course, that part has the 3/8 Arca plate on it. But unfortunately, the other thing that I was kind of disappointed is that there was no button in here, no saber button. I couldn't find any way to use this.
Only in your dreams,
Only
Jim.
in my dreams.
Only in your
Yeah.
dreams.
But yeah, I think it's actually come in handy. I'm going to be using this some more. I'm taking this to Canada. I'm going to have this, so any of you that are going to be
Curious,
attending
yeah.
the Black Hills Photo Shootout, this will be September 22nd through the 25th. Here coming up, this is 2023. That if you would like to see and try out the Platypod handle, I'm going to have that with me.
There you go.
So that'd be another
folks,
reason to sign
if you
up.
want to see these things that we're bringing with us and have a chance to say hi and just hang out a little bit, or if you happen to want to sign up for one of our workshops, sign up now. You got to sign up to attend this thing so you can have some good fun. And where is it taking place? The Black Hills area.
Custer.
This year by Custer State Park, very within stone's throwing distance of Custer State Park is where
Now,
we'll
if
be.
you're seeing this after September 2023, you just have to go to the 2024.
Yep.
Yep, they're Platypod handle. And I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Fred, haven't really had a chance to use it. I think this is your first chance to see it.
Right. So I'm going to see how you do with it, and I may borrow it and see what's up there. I want to try some of the accessory pieces that you can put on that. That should be interesting.
Yeah. So, yep, there you go. If you have comments, please leave them on our YouTube channel. Get out there, and when you do, please subscribe. We would appreciate it. And in the meantime, we're going to have more goodies coming up. So keep.
Yep, that's us. Interviews, how-tos, and reviews.
Reviews.
Be sure to tune in next time to the Photobug for news, reviews, interviews, and how-tos. Don't forget to rate us on iTunes. And please check out and subscribe to the Photobug YouTube channel.